Okay, the expression of the day today is a pretty common one. Forgive me if you've heard it too many times, but it is beating a dead horse. Beating a dead horse. Beating as in beat with your hand or a stick. B-E-A-T. Beating a dead horse.
Or you can say whipping.
I've never heard whipping, but same meaning, yeah. Same idea. Beating a dead horse. Any idea when you might say that or what that means?
I've heard it, and I'm getting confused. Okay. So actually, it's unnecessary to do that action. It's no point of doing.
Right. And more specifically, it's with speaking, like conversation. If you're talking about a topic too much, you say someone is beating a dead horse. If we've covered a topic and we've talked about it 3 times, 4 times, you can say, okay, we're beating a dead horse here. Or
Redundantly doing.
redundantly, yeah. Repeating yourself, repetitive, and it's unnecessary to keep doing it. Sometimes I'll have like a meeting and maybe your boss could just be repeating himself over and over, kind of saying the same thing. And then after the meeting, the workers can say, he was really beating a dead horse with this topic. So you have the idea of a horse you want to move, you hit it, but this horse you hit it so many times it died. There's no use to keep hitting it. Why are you hitting this horse, right? So, beating a dead horse.
So you only can say it for the speaking, or if can it be like an action?
I'm trying to think an example of an action. I've almost only heard it about topics, conversation topics and things. But I suppose it could be extended to actions, but not as common.
Okay. So basically, our company, the director, he always beating the dead horse.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No conclusion. Always talk about the same. Yeah.
We get the idea. Yeah.
Okay.
It's like
Okay, that's him. Okay.
yeah. Move on.
Pointless, maybe?
Yeah. It
Pointless doing it.
pointless and that kind of gives a different idea, but when we're talking about one topic that everyone knows, we understand it, but you keep talking about it, then you're beating a dead horse.
Everybody might want him to stop.
Yeah, and move on. Let's talk about something different. If your friend is always complaining about something like their husband, always complaining about their husband, you could say, okay, you're beating a dead horse here. Stop complaining about the same thing every time.
A drunken person, when he's drunk, he can talk about it over and over.
Oh, I know, they repeat themselves, yeah, and
So that's really
beating a dead horse, right? Definitely. Okay, any questions about the expression of the day?
I was thinking about maybe the meat will get softer and nicer.
Tenderize it, yeah.
Maybe it has a positive meaning of making things
Processing.
Yeah. Okay, so I was right. First.
Yeah.
Okay.
Getting too technical with it. Okay. So let's not beat a dead horse and move on.